New changes are appearing on the horizon. A conscientious America is responding to the crucial environmental and energy questions by seeking new ways of conserving energy and protecting the environment without making drastic changes in our lifestyles. One way Americans are meeting the challenge is by making more sensible choices in the kind of automobile they buy, without sacrificing any of the qualities they have come to expect from their vehicles. American Motors, highly regarded as the small car specialist, offers one alternative without sacrifices with the features and qualities you want in your personal transportation. The Gremlin line for 1978 is the fun-to-drive, versatile, premium quality alternative to conventional small cars. The sporty 78 Gremlin offers comfort, style, agility, and plenty of usable, accessible room for people and cargo in an easy-driving, fun-loving package that is sized right for today and tomorrow. Gremlin is the car that started it all in the domestic subcompact field. And with constant, year-by-year improvements, it is still a leading value in its class. Its 96-inch wheelbase is longer than that of Pinto, Chevette, Ford Fiesta, Datsun B210, Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, Volkswagen Rabbit, Dodge Colt, Plymouth Arrow, and most other competitive cars in its class for superior ride. Yet, its 166.6-inch overall length is shorter than most of its competition for easier parking and maneuverability. But it doesn't perform like a small car. Gremlin has a wide variety of engine choices which offer performance and dependability. There's the Gremlin Custom 2-liter that's powered by a strong-running 121 CID 4-cylinder engine, which provides good performance, either in city driving and short hauls or on the open highway. Gremlin also offers a standard 232 CID 6-cylinder or the optional 258 CID 6-cylinder engine, both noted for their overall performance and power. Gremlin also offers one of the widest front and rear tracks in its class for big car stability and sure-footed handling. Its body is also wider than the competition's, providing more front seat hip and shoulder room than any other subcompact car. Inside Gremlin Custom's roomy and comfortable interior, you'll notice the new standard soft feel vinyl bucket seats and an all-new instrument panel cluster and locking glove box door. Custom models also feature standard wood grain on the instrument panel. Incidentally, that locking glove box is standard equipment, and so is the below-the-dash parcel shelf, features that many cars in Gremlin's class don't offer at any cost. There is also added sound insulation and vibration dampening modifications to the suspension, which help make Gremlin one of the smoothest riding and quietest small cars you can buy. Automatic transmission is available in all Gremlins, while AMC's smooth shifting 4-speed manual gearbox is standard in both custom models. Few other cars in Gremlin Custom's size and price class can compete in terms of value for the money. The bright wheel lip, drip rail, rocker panel, and body side scuff moldings, which are optional or unavailable on many small cars, are standard equipment on Gremlin, as are rear bumper guards, the spare tire cover, and carpeting over the entire floor and cargo area. Speaking of the cargo area, Gremlin has usable space that measures a full 6 feet in length, with over 26 cubic feet in cargo capacity when the standard folding rear seat is in its down position. Easy access to all this room is provided by the low and wide rear lift window, which is standard equipment on every Gremlin. The AMC Gremlin also offers more car for the money in places where it really counts. Its standard front disc brakes are the largest in the subcompact class, as are Gremlin's rear drum brakes. The 14-inch wheels and tires, standard on every Gremlin, are the largest offered on any subcompact cars sold in America, and larger even than those on many compact-size cars. The result is better stopping power, stability, ride, and tire mileage. And Gremlin's 31.5-foot turning circle means greater maneuverability in tight spots. In addition to the long list of standard comfort, convenience, and appearance features, Gremlin offers plenty of desirable options, such as power steering and brakes, AM/FM multiplex stereo radio, or with 40-channel AMCB, all-season air conditioning, electric rear window defogger, roof rack, and heat-beating tinted glass all around, which reflects over 45% of the heat, yet allows over 75% of the exterior light to enter the passenger cabin area. Appearance items such as exciting exterior striping and forged aluminum wheels. The famous exclusive Levi's interior is part of the Gremlin X package, now available in 4 exciting colors. Sport-minded buyers will want to check out Gremlin's X package, which also includes a special lower body stripe and ornamentation, sport steering wheel, slot-styled wheels, DR78 by 14 steel-belted radial tires with optional raised white lettering, front anti-sway bar, extra quiet insulation, brushed aluminum instrument panel overlays, and other special styling touches. As an American alternative to ordinary run-of-the-mill small cars, Gremlin represents a carefully planned balance of small car handling, performance, usability for every purpose, and value for the money, with a level of quietness, comfort, roominess, strength, stability, and ride, and a fun-to-drive, exciting automobile package. And all Gremlin models back up this quality with the exclusive American Motors Buyer Protection Plan. American Motors Corporation guarantees you that except for tires, it will pay for the repair or replacement of any part it supplies that is defective in material or workmanship for 12 months or 12,000 miles from the date the car is purchased, whichever comes first. All we require is that guaranteed repairs or replacements be made by an American Motors dealer. This plan also provides a free loaner car from our dealers if guaranteed repairs take overnight. There is also special trip interruption protection. For 1978, the AMC Gremlin line is the answer. It's the car Americans want and the size America needs.